In a green garden, a little sparrow lived happily. But winter came, and finding food became difficult. One cool morning, the hungry sparrow searched everywhere but found nothing. Tired, she reached a farmer's house, hoping to find some grains. Seeing her struggle, the kind farmer took a handful of rice and scattered it for her. The sparrow chirped joyfully, "Thank you. May your home always be filled with happiness." The farmer smiled and went back to work. Many days later, heavy rain flooded the farmer's field, washing away many seeds. Worried, he watched helplessly until the little sparrow returned with her friends. They quickly gathered the seeds and placed them back in the soil. The farmer, amazed, said, "This is the same sparrow I helped. Today she is helping me. Truly, kindness always comes back." Months later, his crops grew better than ever, and he gratefully remembered the sparrow's prayer. Moral: kindness and gratitude always bring blessings.